Holy crap, chat. 5 months gone from the game, don't blame me. I don't have any more. I don't have any more. Was that an ace? That was an ace, chat. Chat, that was an ace. Y'all can't lie.
Let's deal out a few more.
What the? What is this?
Need this back.
Trip connector? What's a trip connector? Do I put it here?
The second one.
Oh!
Placing a razor bloom.
Okay.
Devices in place. Connection established.
I see. Interesting. That's good. Okay, so it's like cap cans. Yeah, it's kind of like cap cans. I'm not gonna lie. That's interesting.
Swapping mags.
Cap can type shit right there.